Alright guys, so welcome back again to another new exciting tutorials. Today we'll do a slightly different kind of design. We are all familiar with the ChatGPT logo. It's a bit more complicated than other logos, so let's start creating the ChatGPT logo together. Dear viewers, we successfully created the ChatGPT logo exactly the same look. Please let me know your opinion how you like the video. And also if you need any kind of design service, something like logo design, brand identity design, label and packaging designs, any kind of design service, just let me know. As a designer, I will help you to complete on your project. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like my videos.